Human skeleton remains discovered in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An investigation is on the way to identify human remains found in the St. Catherine community on Saturday. Around 9:15 a.m., passerby reportedly stumbled upon the skeleton remains in a section of Cromarty and summoned the police. The police responded, and on arrival they saw what appears to be human remains in a partially burnt out bush area in a section of the community. The scene was processed and the remains removed for further investigation. The Spanish Town Police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.